What if I told you the future of video creation has already arrived, but it is being quietly locked behind a digital curtain? You've probably heard of AI image generators like Midjourney, text writers like ChatGPT, and voice mimickers like 11 Labs. But now the game is changing again. Google has released a revolutionary new AI tool that can generate full cinematic videos from a single line of text. It's called VO3, and it's one of the most powerful AI video generators ever created. Imagine typing a drone shot flying over a neon-lit Tokyo in the rain with ambient sound and cinematic motion, and within seconds getting a fully animated, realistic, dynamic video, complete with sound, camera angles, motion effects, and lighting that feels like it was produced in a professional Hollywood studio. That's exactly what VO3 does. It is not just a text-to-video tool, it is a full cinematic machine learning engine trained to create scene-by-scene visuals that include natural camera movement, realistic characters, environmental lighting, voice-activated dialogue, and synchronized audio. This is beyond anything Runway Gen 2, Pika Labs, or even OpenAI's Sora have done so far. But here's the problem. Most of the world can't use it. Google has geo-restricted VO3 access, allowing only a limited number of creators in the United States to try the beta, and offering full access only through their AI Ultra plan, which costs $249.99 a month. That's not just expensive, it's gated, exclusive, and out of reach for most creators worldwide. But what if I told you that you could still access VO3, use it from anywhere in the world? Pakistan, India, Brazil, Nigeria, the Philippines, wherever you are, and do it 100% for free. In this video, I am going to walk you through everything you need to know about VO3, what it is, why it's revolutionary, how to unlock it from any country, and how to get nearly identical results using free alternatives right now. So, buckle up, because this could be the biggest leap in video creation since the invention of the camera. Let's start with what VO3 actually is. Unlike older AI models that simply stitch images together or animate frames using key prompts, VO3 understands natural human language and generates entire moving scenes. It can recreate cinematic styles, follow specific camera directions, add ambient sounds, and animate environmental dynamics like wind, water, fire, and human gestures. It does all this using a model trained on years of film, video, and text data across the internet. VO can follow cues like wide-angle dolly-in shot, sunset lighting, or 360-degree camera orbit, and recreate them in seconds. It's like having a Hollywood cinematographer, director, visual effects team, and sound editor all wrapped into one prompt window. You don't need any editing skills, no cameras, no expensive equipment, just your imagination and a few typed words. That's the good news. The bad news? It's geo-blocked. Unless you're in the United States, you can't access the VO3 interface directly, nor can you subscribe to its premium plans through the official channels. But don't worry. Here's how to bypass this restriction and get access anyway. Step 1. Download and install a VPN. I personally recommend ProtonVPN or TunnelBear because they offer free plans and stable US servers. Once installed, connect to a US location. New York or Los Angeles usually works best. Step 2. Open a private or incognito browser window and create a brand new Google account while connected to your VPN. Why new? Because your current Google ID is already associated with your local IP and location, and Google's algorithms are smart enough to detect that. A clean, fresh account gives you a much better chance of getting access. Step 3. Visit the official VO3 beta page. I'll include a safe link in the description. Enter your new Google account and sign up for the waitlist. Step 4. Regularly check your email. Google has been quietly approving random accounts every week. Thousands of creators have already reported receiving beta invites just days after signing up with the right region setup. And once you're in, you'll have access to the full VO interface, prompt field, preview panel, video resolution selector, and export features. Some users even get up to 10 free credits per week to generate 8-second video clips without paying a dime. And yes, those clips include sound, motion, voice prompts, and smooth transitions. But what if you don't get in? What if you restuck waiting or don't want to rely on a VPN and email luck? No problem, I've got you covered. Let me introduce you to the best free VO3 alternatives that work today without region limits, and that you can use to create YouTube-ready content immediately.